Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Veronica here, and this review I will dedicate to the Botanica Vitamin C Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 75. I will make a full review of the product. I will show you the packaging, ingredient list. I will tell you about consistency, the smell, my experience with this product, and I will tell you in the end, is it awesome or not? Stay tuned. Let's open up a new box of the product which is reviewed in this video. It's a Vitamin C SPF 75 Dry Touch Sunscreen, and this is a completely new box. It just came a few days ago. The box is looking really nice. It's very colorful. It has a nice work of the designers here. Definitely is quite long, and this box contains 120 ml of the volume of product here. This we will weight also together, and there is a context of the company here. It was manufactured on July last year. Now it's March 2020. I'm recording the video. I received the product directly from company, and it's expired in June next year. There is also a notification here about what this product contains or not. It says that it has only pure extracts and it's safe to use ingredients, and there was no animal testing done. It has no parabens, mineral oil, or no sulfates, which is a really important thing. And on the other side of the box, we can see the full list of ingredients here, the swift description of the product itself, and ingredients that we have here. I will come back later. We'll take a very close look to these list of ingredients. There are quite many of them, and there is a direction of use and caution. Pay attention that the new product should be sealed completely, so you are sure nobody opened it before you. In general, how the product presents is very nice. Let's see, open up and see what is contains inside. I will use the help of my cutter, which also is a matching and very stylish orange look here. And I will use a very small amount of this, and very accurately will open the box. That's it. This is all I need it for. And let's get the protection plastic out of the box. Let me put it aside and let me open the box for you. So this is what you will see when the products come to you. So what we have here is a nice bottle, orange color obviously, which has a pump. Bottle looking is the same as the packaging, has the same. There is a pump here which is quite tight. I like it. And the product is here. Let's use a patch test. Let me also try the smell of it, because I just got it. The pump will work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 pumps, and it's on. All right, this is how pump gives you. This is amount of pump gives you enough for quite a good pump, I would say. I really can feel a nice orange smell even from here. Let us look closer to the absorption of the product, and let's see how it feels right now. It feels slightly greasy right now, quite oily feeling I have right now. Let me see how many minutes it will require for product to absorb completely, and to have a nice feeling on the hand, not a greasy one, not a fatty one. Alright, in less than 1 minute time, I have a very nice absorption right now. I feel this substance on my skin. I feel the sunscreen here, but I don't have a greasy feeling anymore. It feels moist. It feels very nice. There is a very nice smell coming, but there is no greasy feeling or fatty feeling, so it has quite a good absorption effect. But I would not say it's really dry actually, because I don't have any dry feeling. Maybe it requires more time to absorb. Let me see. Let me tell you after if I will have it. I will record additional small part of the video, but if it's not, it will stay like this only. That I have a feeling like this. I will still tell you about my overall review and overall experience about using it only after 2 weeks, because this is the time required to test the products properly. I don't want to make any bottom line right now, obviously, because it's a new product. I still need to try it and to see how it works. This was one of my purchases from Botanica. There was a time that I was buying a lot of products from them, and this was one of them. Obviously, you need a sunscreen living in India or any other countries which have a lot of sun during the year. So this was one of, well, so kind of called necessary products. This product comes in the vitamin C line, which Botanica has. I already made some reviews about some of the products from this line. You can see it here. Honestly, I did not like 2 of the products from this line for sure. So this is another product from the same line. So speaking about the packaging is okay-ish. I would say it's 120 ml size, so it's not a bad size. It's not a small one. It's not 50 ml, so it's quite a decent size. But the plump is good. I mean, the plump, I used it a lot. It's a good one. It can survive for a longer time, and until now it's working fine. The only thing that I did not use too much, this sunscreen I bought in the end of the summer before the monsoon season, so I just maybe used it a few times. I can tell you about my experience, of course, but what can I say that, as you see, I did not use it as, again, it's not finishing or something. And the packaging is already, kind of, getting out. It's already, something is wrong with the packaging or something, I don't know. So it's not whole already. You see there's some, something like erase from here, and I did not scratch it, I swear. So as for consistency and packaging, packaging is okay-ish, alright, comes in a box. I will show you how box look. As for the consistency, it's well, not thick, it's not sticky, it's I would say light, because it says dry touch sunscreen, so it actually absorbs very quickly. This is not a bad option. It does not leave any white cast, so as you see, there is nothing on my hand now. But it's getting absorbed quite fast, and it has a dry touch. It's really so. But what I did not like about this section of the consistency, smell and look is that it has a very strong smell again of this I don't know, it's not a vitamin C, some kind of, very unpleasant smell. It smells, well, this is actually the only thing which I don't like about this product at all, is that it smells like a, detergent with, orange or lemon or some kind of cleaner. I don't know, but the smell is honestly terrible. This is one of the reasons actually I stopped buying Botanica products. I will not repurchase some of them anymore, maybe most of them anymore, because they are adding, plentiful amount of fragrances in their products, especially this line. Vitamin C is just terrible. This line and pomegranate line also, which is just a terrible experience for me. You will see here this video which I was reviewing this pomegranate line. It's also same problem with this product. It has such a terrible smell. It is so much. I don't honestly understand why you have to put so much fragrance inside this. It does not really require any. If you just put a little amount, then nothing would change anything for the customer also. And if you guys don't know, you can check out some professional estheticians or dermatologists videos. Extra amount of fragrance and perfume inside the product can actually cause a big problems in the long term with your skin. It will become more sensitive, it will become irritated, and this is a very bad thing. I honestly don't understand what these formula manufacturers are thinking when they're putting. Okay, you can put some fragrance, but why you put so much of fragrance? As for the third point of my review, well, it works on the sun. I would not say it's the best sunscreen I ever tried in my life. well, I would not say the coverage is full and the protection is okay. It says 75. Well, it's a very powerful number. Well, it works. I cannot not say it's not working, but all right, this is non-chemical sun protection with the so it's like it's saying it's a physical sun protection kind of. Well, they actually say here the sunscreen agent, which is the most important actually action of this product, is actinoxate. I will just put for you on a screen kind of thing. So I like, for me it's like a 50-50 for this product, honestly. In this review, I need to tell you, is it awesome or not? Well, I would say it's not awesome then. Well, my review, my bottom line of this video will be it's not awesome. Also, the price is $9.99 MRP. You can buy cheaper, of course, on sale. But for this price, with this terrible smell, with the okayish, it works, but like things which are coming with it, it's not very inspiring. The volume is good also though, but still my my cons here are first is the price, second is that terrible smell. Well, for the same price you can buy better sunscreen, definitely, which will have even more effect on your skin, and definitely the one which will not have this terrible smell. This is one of the reasons, actually, this is my problem with all the Sun Botanica products. So you can also see here video why I think I will never buy again this company. So this is how it is. I hope you guys like my video. If you used this product before, or you want to use it, or you have some experience, please tell me in the comments. You can ask me some questions. Tell me about your experience with this company or with this product, this particular product. I want to know, did you use it? Did you like it? Did the smell disturb you? Or how was your, experience with the sun? As you see, I have a fair skin, so for me, these kind of products like sunscreens are the most necessary ones. Recently, I started to use actually Korean products, Korean sunscreens. I just purchased one recently, but I did not use it yet because it's a winter time, so I don't really need it. I'm not going to the sun too much, and the sun is not that much active. So as you understand, for me, this is a very important item, and this is a very important topic for me. If you like some other sunscreens, or you can you think that it can be better, please write me in the comments. Also, I would love to hear your opinion, and thank you so much for watching. I will love to see your feedback, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye!